Good morning, friends. এসে গেছি গোপা চক্রবর্তী from Greenhouse. Greenhouse is operating from P452B Kiatala Road. So I'm getting visitors now over here also. I'm very happy. Do come and visit us, friends. Friends, I will not take much of your time. I've got good collections today. Let me start with my work. Hey, this is the sari number 1, very fresh cotton, all on off-white dhone khali checks. I can't do without showing you my cottons. This goes for 3400, dear. Look at the styling. There's an L shape at the yoke portion, and the saris all throughout with buttas. So the sari, when draped, it will be all throughout. The other portion is all throughout with buttas. It's a very fine quality cotton. Zari ones, 3400, dear. So sari number 2. These are all embroidery done on this. Again for 3400, number 2. The product number 2 is 3400 with this kind of yoke here, with this kind of display. Look at the achal. Achal has 3 motifs. And all throughout the motifs, they're all embroidered motifs. Product number 3 is on Dhoni Khali Tangail. Sorry, this is on Tangail. This is on Tangail. This is Tangail cotton. Motifs are all created like this. This is the pleated portion, which is kept like this, and the other half is done with again motifs. This is for 2800. New color. This is 100 count cotton, Parsi Jali work of Greenhouse, Parsi Jali work. $3,400. Look at the fineness of this texture. 3400. 5 নম্বর শাড়িটা দেখুন. This is again for 3400. Parsi Jali work. The yoke portion is highlighted and there are buttas and the other half the motifs. This is for again 3400. एक तो था होता 8 है, yeah. This is a special one, Banaras Kora. Sari textured. This is for 2900 please. Number 6, very gorgeous sari. Number 6 is for 2900. Look at the archer. 2900 only. Is going for only 2900. 2900. It's a broad zari border. Light to carry. The blouse section. 2900 please. This is again on Banaras Kora. What a festive look. Number 7, 3200 only. 3200. $3,200 for this saree. $3,200. These are all our mix match sarees with ikat handloom cloth attached. These are also not very heavy to carry. These are very light ones. As we have used handloom cloth, very light handloom cloth. Block prints inside. This is the palla. Palla is decoratively done with two types of cloth. This is for 2300 dear. 2300. This saree is tussar, khadi tussar. Sorry, this is Manipuri one. Manipuri designed. This is for 4800. Manipuri style design. 4800. Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is the Dhakai one. Dhakai one is for 4800 please. This is on tussar. Ganga Jamuna border. $4,800. Yeah, this is that Manipuri designed. Yeah. Look at this. Look at the woven border. This is on half tussar actually. 4200. 4200 for this saree. 4200. And number 11. Number 11. block prints, paisley block prints. These are all cottons, designer cottons. Again, 2 stashed cloth has been used with the blouse piece up there. And the decoratively done up achal. 2075 for this Dhonikhali cotton. Number 48. Number 48. Etaও Dhonikhali cotton a block prints and there is an attached border. 2075 for this sari. 2075 for this sari, and there's a blouse piece given for this sari. 2075 only for this sari. We start with Argachi Toshor batiks. Look at the elaborate Moyur done. Moyur Poki. Number 13. Product number 13, 6,800. Look at the color. Deep onion pink. This is deep onion pink in color. This goes for how much? This goes for 6,800. Gachi Toshor. And the blouse section. These are the zari border ones on tussar. Zari border Toshor. Very traditional. The skirt border and ekhane border tattoo shoru deya hoyeche. 5,400. 5,400. 5,400. And this is the blouse section. I'll go dekhiye. 5,400 for this piece. This is number 48. Number 48 is going for 5,400. Yeah, one more Gachi Toshor. Earthen tone. The stone is very nice, it has come up. 5,400 for the royal blue border with the royal blue achal. 5,400. 5,400 for the zari bordered Toshor. Look at the palla and the blouse section. This is also tussar, block printed tussar, going for only 4,200. This is only for 4,200. Very good quality tussar. I was left with this one for a long time and I thought I'll give it for 4,200. It's a good piece actually. Surprisingly, it has not been taken for a long time. I thought I'll give you for 4200, but these quality they are going for 500, 800, 5800. This is a magenta blouse piece. Look at the quality. This is tussar. And my silks. Batik on silks. 4800. Deep pink. And the quality. $4,800 for this batik silk. Look at the drape. 4,800 with the blouse piece. This batik tussar number 18, product number 18. $5,600 again. 5,600. This is the Aanchal portion. And the sari. This is number 18, 5,600. And the blouse section. They're all Bishnupur silks I am showing. Number 19. Number 19 is 4,500 only. 4,500. 4,500 for the product number 19. The green printed one. Discharge prints. Number 19. This is the blouse section. Deep emerald green. And the 3,900 ones. Number 20. This is 350 gram silks. Number 20. 3,900 please. 3,900 only. And this is the blouse section. Greenhouse embroidery section. Famous ones on Gachi Toshur. This is number 21. All Parsi embroidery. Number 21. Look at the workmanship. And the paisleys on the Aanchal. This goes, and the cord piping is also there for the sari. The total sari is completed by cord piping, 3 types of cord piping. This black Parsi, this is on Bangalore silk. I'll give this for 6,900 please. 6,900 for this Parsi. 6,900 for this multicolored bordered Parsi. Look at the palla. 6,900 for this Parsi. And hand embroidered Phulkari. Hand embroidered Phulkari work with cotton thread is going for 10,800. Or Bishnupur silk, 10,800. There's a partly on the pleats. The work is on the pleats. Partly work on the pleats. And the blouse piece with the sari. And this is our Kathiawadi work. On Bangalore silk. $10,600. $10,600. Look at the palla. $10,600 for this saree. Yeah, this is on Kosha Toshur. Kosa Tasar. 10,600. Peta Zari work. Petai Zari work on Kosa Tasar. $10,600. I'll open out and show you. So it is visible from your end. If you've liked any of our sarees, just contact me, message me at WhatsApp. This is the last piece I'm showing you. A very soft and beautiful color. 6,800. This is 6,800. I'll be finishing today for the time being. I'll be seeing you soon, my friends. Again, a very happy new year to you all. Thank you, dear friends.